Welcome to the channel. Today we have a surprise for all of you. We have just launched a new Android application created to help you perform a lot of HSE related work in one place. In this video, we will go through the main features of the app and show you what you can do with it. So, let's get started. As soon as you open the app, the first menu shows the daily HSE quote, which changes every time you open the app. Then you have a quiz, where you can play and test your knowledge. The quiz contains several different questions. If you answer correctly, you continue. If you get it wrong, the quiz ends and shows the failed answer. You can also share the app to help us reach more safety professionals. There is a questions and answers section, and we also have articles that are updated every week, all related to HSE. If you need a daily safety moment, you can choose a topic and immediately see ideas you can talk about. You also have access to standards. Simply select what you want, and the app will show you the international standards related to that topic. Our YouTube videos are available inside the app as well. You can also find training courses if you are interested. There is a section for HSE jobs, where we try to identify as many opportunities as possible. We also have a newsletter and a contact form, where you can contact us anytime. When you go back to the main menu, you will see HSE Quick Requirements. This is extremely helpful. It gives you the key requirements for any tool or activity you select. For example, if you choose gas detector, the app will show you a brief list of the main requirements for that specific tool. You can also search by activity. First, select the category, like construction. Then choose the activity, for example, cable pulling and termination. And the app will automatically show you the key requirements, permits, and checks you need to consider. Very simple and very useful to improve your knowledge. There are also different quizzes for different topics, so you can keep learning a little bit every day. For toolbox talks, they are divided into health, safety, and environmental topics. You can choose a subject, read the content, and even share it with your team on the spot without preparation. This section will be updated from time to time. In the checklist section, you can select a checklist and complete it on-site. Each checklist has yes, no, and not applicable options as usual. Once you answer all questions, you can calculate the compliance percentage. You can restart the checklist or send it by email. When you send it, you select your name, your email, the person receiving it, the location, and any comments. The checklist will be emailed with all the details. We also have a case classifier. If you want to identify an accident according to different standards, just enter the information. When it happened, description, who was involved, employer or employee, type of injury, and impact on work. Some fields are mandatory. When all fields are complete, the app will calculate the classification, such as first aid, medical treatment, restricted work case, or lost time case. It can be used for different standards. Next, we have the benchmark section, where you can compare your company's KPIs with the average values in your region or globally. If you want to calculate LTIs, total hours worked, and see your rate, you can do it here. You choose the standard and the app will calculate the rate automatically. We included all the main indicators used on construction sites and other industries. The same exists for environmental indicators. Hearing protection, and lifting calculations. For lifting, we included two methods, NIOSH and a general calculation that includes the lifting accessories. We also added other useful calculations, like emergency shower requirements, and much more. Everything you need as a safety professional. And yes, you still have time to enjoy a little fun. We added some brain games. They are simple, safety-themed games to train your mind. The app is completely free. However, you will see advertisements. If you want to remove all ads forever, you can do it by paying a small fee. This helps us maintain and improve the app over time. I hope this app will be useful. The download link is in the description. You can install it for free on any Android device. We would really appreciate if you share this video and the app with all your HSE colleagues so we can improve it as much as possible. If you have any questions, please write them in the comments below. Thank you very much.